Hey everyone, this is just going to be a quick video on how to take all this work that you've done and package it into a jar file. Note that this isn't the executable one, this is just the kind that you just import into your project. Let's go right into it. So click in your project folder, go to export, click on jar file, that's underneath your Java folder. And then it will select which resources you want to export. In this case, we only have one, so just click on that one. And then select where you want your jar file to show up. So it's important that you choose a place they can find easily. So I've managed that to desktop. So once that's done, you can go back into your workspace, and then make a lib folder, and then put your file in here. So it's the one I'm just testing out. This is the one right here. And then you can go back to your Eclipse. You can make a new one if you want to. It works either way. And then go ahead and create a new project. So I'm going to call this one graphics because that is what we're going to be doing in the future. So let's do that. And right click on your project folder, go to properties. We're going to be bringing in that jar file. I'm going to add external jars. So this is where you have to work your way down to where you put that jar file. So open that up, apply and close, and I already use it. Let's make a new file to test it out on. In fact, let's import one of our libraries from here. So note that if we don't have this jar file, this folder will not even know that this project exists. So just want to get that confusion out of the way. So let's go to one of our files. Let's do trigonometry. No, let's do basics because I have to have all the functions here. So let's do static let's try one of the functions. Also floor 1.1. As you can see, it's already recognizing it. So it knows about this from this jar file here. And now we can use everything that we have. If you have more functions in here, you can call those too. I'm just using the ones that I remember doing on video. All right, looks like it works. So in the upcoming upload, we'll actually be making extensive use of this, mainly the matrix library and the trigonometry. Fun stuff. So I'll see you next time.